Guys, Australia is quietly opening doors for thousands of foreign workers in 2026. Some of these jobs do not require a university degree. This is exactly why people are rushing the Australia 482 work permit visa right now. Because while many people are busy fighting for student visas and spending huge money on tuition, smart people are using strategic immigration pathways to enter Australia directly through work. Australia has a serious labor shortage. And they are sponsoring foreigners. Watch this video till the end because one small mistake can delay your visa for months. So why is Australia suddenly hiring foreigners aggressively? Massive infrastructure projects. Healthcare shortages. Growing logistics demand. And farming shortages. This is mind-blowing, guys. Some Australian companies are literally approved to sponsor foreign workers because they cannot find enough local staff. That's where the Australia 482 Skills in Demand visa comes in. This visa allows Australian employers to sponsor overseas workers for jobs that are urgently needed. And once you enter Australia and gain experience, many people later transition into permanent residency. Yes. PR pathway. That's why this is not just a job opportunity. This is a long-term relocation strategy. Now listen carefully. The people winning in 2026 are not waiting for perfect conditions. They are moving early while demand is still high. Because once competition increases, rules become stricter. So if Australia has ever been your dream country, this might be your window. Top high-demand jobs in Australia 2026. 1. Construction and trades. Australia is heavily investing in roads, rail projects, and housing. That means they need electricians, welders, carpenters, plumbers. Average salary, $65,000 to $110,000 Australian dollars yearly. 2. Healthcare and caregiving. This sector is exploding. Australia needs aged care workers, disability support workers, nurses, personal care assistants. Average salary, $60,000 to $95,000 Australian dollars yearly. And here's the sweet part. Some caregiving pathways require short certifications instead of full university degrees. A lot of people ignore it until they realize how fast sponsorship happens there. 3. Logistics and transport. Australia desperately needs truck drivers, forklift operators, warehouse workers, delivery coordinators. Average salary, $55,000 to $90,000 Australian dollars yearly. 4. Hospitality and tourism. Tourism is bouncing back strongly. That means hotels and restaurants are hiring chefs, cooks, hotel staff, bakers, restaurant supervisors. Average salary, $58,000 to $85,000 Australian dollars yearly. And many employers in regional Australia are willing to sponsor workers. 5. Agriculture and farm jobs. This is one of the easiest entry sectors for many foreigners. Australia needs farm workers, fruit pickers, meat processing workers, dairy farm assistants. Average salary, $50,000 to $75,000 Australian dollars yearly. Some jobs include accommodation support. And for people trying to enter Australia fast. This can be a strategic starting point. How to find these jobs. 1. Prepare an international CV. Your local CV format may not work. Australian-style CVs are usually clean, direct, skills-focused, highlight, experience, certifications, practical work, especially for labor jobs. 2. Search for sponsorship jobs. Use official and trusted platforms. The biggest ones include workforceaustralia.gov.au, seek.com.au, jobsandskills.gov.au. Guys, Australia is not waiting forever. Opportunities move fast. And the people who act early usually benefit the most. If you're serious about moving abroad in 2026, start preparing now. Start applying. And most importantly, believe it's possible for you too. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below your country and the sector you want to enter in Australia. And if this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because more strategic immigration opportunities are coming. See you in the next one.